Please be patient while the app loads and sets up the initial database. Once that is done, a full screen will appear. We recommend larger tablets for TouchVoice Plus as opposed to small phones because of the screen real estate, but it does work on small phones, as you can see here. And there, the app's ready to go. So this is a demonstration of how TouchVoice works. You'll have to answer and agree to the EULA, End User License Agreement. Customer agrees. And then you'll be into the app. So let's demonstrate the app now. You can type into the speech line up here to speak. And then press the speak button.
Speak.
Or you can erase that line with the erase line here, and you can use these dialogues which are present. And then press speak.
Help me, nurse, I am thirsty.
Okay. If you want it to speak immediately, you can press the auto off and make it auto on, so it will speak
Water.
immediately. So yes and no is there.
Yes. No.
All the time. Okay, and you have other dialogues to choose from. Here's an example dialogue about town.
Airport. Bakery.
And you can page through these dialogues by pressing the arrow button below here.
Gym. Train station.
And then you can go back the other way. Okay.
Change. Cancel. Reschedule. Doctor appointment.
Okay. And if you, for example, want to use images to speak, you can press the images button.
I need my glasses. I love you.
We have pain levels.
Distressing pain level 6.
Okay. Go back. And now I'm going to demonstrate, we have help here, so this explains more about how to use TouchVoice Plus. Detailed instructions. And TouchVoice Plus can be used all offline, off the internet, except for the Plus Gold button. Now that takes you to a Chrome browser-based version, which does require internet access. So we're going to demonstrate that now. So when you go to this version, if you don't have Chrome installed, you'll be asked to install Chrome. So we're going to go to the Play Store and install Chrome. Okay, and you'll find the Chrome browser for Android here, and you hit install. You accept all the conditions. It needs all those to work. And then it downloads and installs the Chrome browser, which is fairly large. It's much more extensive than the browser that usually comes with the app, which is kind of like Chrome Lite in a way, and doesn't have the speech capabilities, so that's why we need this browser. And this is being demonstrated on a ASUS Transformer Prime tablet without the extendable keyboard that attaches to it. We recommend large tablets for this app. Samsung line of tablets have been tested thoroughly, so some of those are available at very affordable prices. So we're going to open the Chrome browser now and then accept and continue, and no thanks unless you want to log in or sign in. Okay, so now let's go back to the app. So now with the Chrome browser installed on your tablet, if you go to Gold, you'll be asked for your email address. So I'm just going to put test in here, and then we'll hit go. And then now you're taken to the TouchVoice Plus Gold version, which is free with TouchVoice Plus.
Help me, nurse.
And it all works pretty much the same. The buttons are a little smaller. The paging's a little different. The controls are down here at the bottom. You can erase with this. You still have the images, but they page through them like this. Let's see. You page through them by pressing the image button multiple times. Okay. Dialogues, you page through them by pressing dialogues multiple times.
Get dressed. Take a shower. Get my keys.
Okay, but the added features here are that you're allowed to page through partial words to create predicates and other such things. Yes and no is still
Yes,
available here,
no.
but you can
Remember. Myself.
down here you have extensive ones. You could page through them by pressing this little arrow up key, the caret here. And then also we've added some features that allow you to save your own custom words. So let's say my own words. And then press save, and that saves it in a list of your own words.
My own words.
And this little null here indicates that there's another word to go there. So, for example, if you add another word, let's do that. Another word phrase. It's not spelled right here, so you can go up here and put that in there. And here we got it.
Another word phrase.
Okay. Now, if you want to delete a word phrase, so for example,
Excuse me.
you have to put that word phrase on the line,
Excuse me.
and then you hit the Erase Custom button, and it erases the word phrase "excuse me" and puts a null in its place to indicate where the next one will go. So if you're going to add a new word phrase, let's put the word "add" in here, and hit save, it's going to go into that spot.
Add.
Okay? And that's how that works. So basically, we've added help instructions here and a help video that you can watch, which will explain exactly what I've demonstrated and how to use it. And we have voice settings. So if you want to change the voice, in this case,
Test and select speech synthesis voice.
it will change the voice. This has a special voice installed, so it may not work as well because there's a different voice underneath. And you can also change the rate of the voice. Let's see if we can slow that down.
Test and select speech synthesis voice.
Let's slow it down even further just to demonstrate it.
Test and select speech synthesis voice. Test and select speech synthesis voice.
That's kind of fun. Different voices are available on different tablets as default, and so you'll have to experiment to get them right. Okay? So this has been a demonstration of Touch Voice Plus and Touch Voice Plus Gold for Touch Voice Plus. So this is a very extensive app, and we'd like to get your feedback on the Google Play Store. Please like us and say some good things about us. Okay, thank you.